Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago po kayo rito, welcome na welcome kayo. Thank you po sa inyong suporta. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Tingnan natin ang mga mensahe ninyo for today. Unahin natin yung trinkets ninyo. Oh, by the way, this is your reading for November 5 to 11. So, paunang mensahe ninyo is the butterfly. Napakalaking butterfly. So, napakalaking pagbabago yan, no? Change and transformation are coming in sa buhay ninyo. Malaking pagbabago. We have another big butterfly. Naku, si Pisces, mabibisi kayo Pisces dahil ang daming, this is massive transformation na maaaring mangyari sa buhay ninyo, no? And look at that. We have alarm clock, no? Maaaring ang iba sa inyo ngayon napipressure siguro kayo sa mga pagbabagong ito na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Maaaring matagal na ninyong plano na mga pagbabagong ito. Gusto na ninyong i-implement ang pagbabagong yan sa buhay ninyo. Kaya siguro ngayon napipressure kayo, no? Kasi maaaring nag-set kayo ng timeline para sa sarili ninyo na kung ano man ang gusto ninyong pagbabagong yan, dapat ma-accomplish ninyo at a certain time. So, ngayon parang napipressure ka na, Pisces. No? So, huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo, ha? Huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo. You can do that. No, you can do it. If it's meant to happen at a certain time, it will happen. Okay? Huwag mong pressurein ang sarili mo. Otherwise, naku, mas may stress ka at hindi mo tuloy yan matatapos, no? So, kalma lang, okay? Hinga malalim, kalma lang, makakaya mo yan. So, maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito, no, is may deadline. Then, maaari sa trabaho, gano'n, sa career ninyo, maaring meron kayong deadline dito na hinahabol, kaya napipressure din kayo. So, what else for Pisces? Psychic abilities. Ayan. You know what, Pisces? You're a water sign. And naturally, napakalakas na ng inyong radar, no? Napakalakas na ng inyong psychic abilities. But ngayon, with the psychic abilities card pumasok sa inyo, ibig sabihin yan, sobrang lakas ngayon ng antena ninyo, ng radar ninyo talaga. Kaya, take advantage of that, no? Take advantage of that. Na sobrang lakas ngayon ng on point ngayon ng psychic abilities ninyo. Gamitin niyo yan to your advantage. Because most likely, dahil maraming pagbabago ang maaaring mangyari sa buhay ninyo dito, most likely humihingi kayo ng gabay sa Panginoon. So, you're being sent downloads dito, or you will be sent downloads dito para magabayan ka sa mga pagbabagong ito na maaaring mangyari sa buhay ninyo. Diba? Kaya, gamitin mo yan. Okay? Listen to your intuition. Make sure that you follow your intuition. Nang sa gayon, you will be on the right track. Okay? We have commitment. Ayan. So, ang iba sa inyo dito, merong papasuking commitment, no? Or maybe that is your commitment to those changes na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay ninyo. Maaaring ganun din ang sitwasyon, no? Maaaring, ang napipick up ko dito, this could be marriage. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito ay mag-aasawa na. Maaaring merong kasalang magaganap dito for some of you. So, good luck po. Family, yes. So, siguro nga talaga, mag-aasawa ng iba sa inyo dito and you're going to start building your own family, no? So, yun din ang napipick up ko dyan for some of you. Maari din ang iba sa inyo dito is going to ask for help sa pamilya ninyo, or maaaring lalapit kayo sa mga kapamilya ninyo to help you dito. Maaring related yan dyan sa mga pagbabagong gusto ninyong mangyari sa buhay ninyo. Maybe you need the help and support of your family, no? Sa ngayon. So, maaaring ganun din ang sitwasyon ng iba dito. So, what else for Pisces? Maari din dito, no, na meron sigurong iba sa inyo dito na meron kayong kapamilya na wala kayong, alam mo yun, yung parang meron kayong bagay na hindi ninyo na pagkaintindihan. Parang you are not on the same page with something. Dito, maaaring may ganong ganap ang iba sa inyo dito in the past. Pero ngayon, maaaring ito na yung pagkakataon na na kayo, magbabati na kayo. There will be reconciliation dito. That's what I'm picking up. because we have forgiveness, no? We have forgiveness card. So definitely meron ditong magkakabati na siguro, meron ng pag-uusap dito, maybe may mga peaceful resolution na dito, at you know what, nagbubukas na din ang puso ninyo, ang sarili ninyo for forgiveness, no? Bukas na kayo para sa pagpapatawad, no? You are choosing love dito, you're choosing love, and this is your family member, this is family, kaya ano na naman ang mangyari, family is still a family, no? Kaya ngayon, mas pinipili na ninyong magpatawad, no? What else for Pisces? Manifestation! Yay! Napakaganda nito, napakaganda. You are manifesting, you know, Pisces, what you want in life, what you are dreaming of. Maybe you're also manifesting the things, no, that your heart desires. So kung ano man ang sitwasyon dito, happy family man, yun, kung yun man ang pangarap ninyo, you might be manifesting that sa ngayon. Kung ano man yung gusto ninyo, whatever your heart desires, you have the power now given to you, Pisces, to manifest them, no? So that's really beautiful. Karmic completion, we have number 10. Ayan. So number 10 represents endings and beginnings. So most likely talaga dito, meron kayong tatapusan, meron kayong i-welcome sa buhay ninyo, and that is part of the change and transformation na mangyayari. So merong magtatapos, merong magsisimula ng bago, merong mag-i-end dahil meron na namang mag-i-entra na panibagong sitwasyon or bagong tao, no? But with the karmic completion here, ang ibig sabihin nito na kung ano man yung ano ninyo, kung ano man yung, let's say for example, meron kayong problema na kinakaharap, no? Maaring yung problema yan, napapansin ninyo na paulit-ulit yung bumabalik sa buhay ninyo, no? Maaring na-experience nyo ng same situation 10 years back, diba? Tapos, and 5 years back, bumalik yan sa buhay ninyo, and maaring ngayon, eto na naman siya, no? Parang siguro maiisip ninyo na bakit pabalik-balik sa buhay ko ba yung ano nito, yung sitwasyon na to. And you know what? Maybe you have a karmic debt kasi, 'di ba? That is a karmic debt. So ngayon, with this karmic completion energy sa buhay ninyo, you may be able now to find the lesson that you need to learn dyan sa sitwasyon na yan. And that is going to be the end of that. Maaano mo na yan, yung karmic debt na yan will be paid off na. Kung baga, once na natutunan nyo na kung ano yung lesson na kailangan ninyong matutunan out of that problem, out of that difficult situation na babalik-balik, that's it. Period. No? There is going to be a karmic completion na, and that is not going to come back in your life anymore. No? Bayad na kayo, kung baga. Natutunan nyo na ang dapat ninyong matutunan dyan. No? You already know, you already learned the lesson that you really need to learn. Kaya yan ang nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. And that's it. No? Period. Tapos na. Tapos na ang ano mo dyan. Ang sitwasyon na yan, it's not going to come back anymore. So what else? We have 7 of Swords. Ayan. This is the energy of liar, cheater, and stealer. No? So maaari talaga na yung kapamilya ninyo ito na medyo hindi ninyo yung may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan in the past. Maybe that person have done something, no? Maaring kasinungalingan, panloloko, no? Something like that. Maaring paninira ang ginawa niyan sa inyo na nalaman ninyo. You know, maaring ganun ang naging sitwasyon ninyo. But, you know what? Magpapatawad na kayo ngayon. Papalampasin nyo na yan. Papalampasin nyo na yan. And you are going to start, healing. Diba? Mag-heal na kayo, or maybe sa pagdaan ng panahon, talagang nakapag-heal na kayo, at kaya ngayon, mas pinipili na ninyo ngayong magmahal at magpatawad. No? So, that's really beautiful. What else? We have King of Pentacles. Ayan, Pisces. Maaaring isa kang mom. No? Maybe you are a nanay dito who is taking care of everyone in the family. There's so many things that you are taking care of. No? There are so many things that you are taking care of, at maaaring yung sarili ninyo ang nakakalimutan ninyo. Kaya pumasok dito si Queen of Pentacles to remind you na Pisces, while you are taking care of everyone in the family and even mga katrabaho ninyo siguro, inaalagaan nyo pa rin, pinapaalalahanan nyo pa rin, also take care of yourself. Also make time for taking care of yourself, Pisces. Okay? And also, habang nagtatrabaho kayo, ginagawa na ninyong pagluluto, paglalaba, paglilinis ng bahay, pag-aasikaso sa mga pangangailangan ng mga anak ninyo, asawa ninyo, and maybe you still have parents that lives with you and you also taking care of them, you know, you are still working, diba? You are still a career woman at tinaalagaan nyo pa rin ang pangkaperahang is aspeto ng inyong pamilya. See, talagang kayo, super nanay. You could be a super mom. Talaga, Pisces, yun akin napipick up dito. And since this is a general reading, no, Pisces, this could be also a super dad. Diba? Kung kayo naman ay isang dad and you are doing that things na kayo din ang nag-aalaga ng pamilya, no? Everyone is depending on you, you know? So this could be a male or female energy, no? Maaring dad kayo or maaring mom kayo na nag-aalaga talaga sa inyong pamilya, kumakayod para sa pamilya to provide for their needs, you know? So maaring kayo yan, no? And this also symbolizes, kasi meron din tayong manifestation. We have number 8. And number 8 represents financial success din, material success. So, ang napipick up ko din dito, maaring meron ding financial opportunities dito na maaring pumasok sa buhay ninyo. Pisces, maaring dumating din ngayon. And this is something na hindi ito small time, but instead this is a big time na opportunities, no, na maaring dumating sa inyo that is going to bring forth prosperity, abundance, and financial freedom, no, financial success para sa inyo dito, Pisces. So good luck to that. Okay, good luck. So we have 10 of Swords. Yan, this is also new beginning, no? This is new beginning energy. There's also ending dito. Kaya kung ano man ito na whatever this 10 of Swords represents for you, you know, this is really, really beautiful. Dahil, ibig sabihin nito, nanggaling kayo doon sa sakit, nanggaling kayo doon sa sobrang painful na situation, na, you know, emotionally, mabigat ang pinagdaanan ninyo dito. But now, you know, bumabangon na kayo. It's really beautiful, Pisces, kasi naglalakas loob na kayo ngayon na iwanan na, i-let go na kung ano man ang mga nagpapabigat dito sa dibdib ninyo, kung ano man ang nag-cause ng sakit na ito sa dibdib ninyo, sa isip ninyo, pinahirapan kayo dito. Pero ngayon, you know, you are choosing love, you are choosing to forgive because you want dito to move on with your life. No, you are choosing your happiness, your peace, and parang ano na ngayon, parang nagbubukas na kayo ngayon para sa bagong umaga, bagong pag-asa, bagong buhay. Diba? So you are releasing, no? We have number 10. You are releasing something dito sa buhay ninyo. No? This is also ending and beginning. So, you are releasing something that doesn't serve your highest good anymore. And you are choosing your happiness. You are choosing your peace. You are choosing to move on with your life on a clean slate na ngayon. So, good luck, Pisces. It's really beautiful. And also, before I close this reading, we have double 10. No? We have 10 here. We have 10 of Swords. So, please look up for the meaning of 10-10 for more guidance, Pisces. Angel number 10-10. So, thank you. And that's all I have for you for the week. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.